It's recording now.
Damn! Damn, man.
See what the problem was. It's an iPod.
So what was the problem?
It's an iPod.
It seems to me that there's a crack in the screen and it's broken.
Here you go, a new iPod.
Not bad. Let's see what the insides look like. That's the hard drive. This is the ribbon cables to the headphone jack. This is the screen.
Okay, Discovery Channel guy.
Okay, and that's what happens when you buy an iPod. It goes bad after a
You
couple
found it.
months.
I mean, YouTube.
The fuck? We can't put it on YouTube, fool.
Not anymore. Tune in next week where we break
A 360.
Oh!
A black one.
Cut.